Hello, dear students. I welcome you all to the mathematics class of Standard 8. Today, we will be discussing about Chapter 3, Polygons. We have studied about different types of geometric shapes in previous classes, right? What are those? Triangle, rectangle, square, etc.
The word geometry is a combination of two Greek words. Geo means land or earth and metri means measurement. Thus, the word geometry means the measurement of earth. The geometric shapes we study today were developed in the ancient times as a solution to their day-to-day problems. The ancient Egyptians used geometry for construction purposes, making granaries and also making pyramids. Do you know who is known as the father of geometry? The ancient Greek mathematician Euclid is known as the father of geometry. He collected all the work done on geometry and put it together in books called Elements.
How do you spend your leisure time? Okay, by engaging in sports, reading, watching televisions, etc. Have you ever watched the channel called Asianet? Did you notice the logo of it? This is the logo of Asianet. It is a triangle, isn't it? How many sides does it have? What about the angles? Yes, it has three sides and three angles. So, what do you mean by a triangle? A figure with three vertices and three sides is called a triangle. Now, you can see various geometric shapes on slide. What are they? A rectangle, a parallelogram, a trapezium, and a square. What are the common features of these shapes? Okay, each of them have four sides and four angles. So, a figure with four vertices and four sides is called a quadrilateral. Now, we can see various examples of quadrilaterals and their names in the table shown. What are they? A square, a rectangle, a parallelogram, a trapezium, a rhombus, and a kite. In the previous slide, we saw about four-sided figures. Are you familiar with five-sided figures? Here, we can see some examples of five-sided figures that we can see in our day-to-day life. What are the common features of five-sided figures? Yes, each of them have five sides and five angles. So, a figure with five vertices and five sides is called a pentagon. Do you like honey? Are you familiar with beehives? Have you ever noticed what is the shape of each cells of a beehive? Here you can see an expanded portion of a beehive. How many sides does each cell have? What about the angles? Yes, each cell have six sides and six vertices. So, a figure with six vertices and six sides is called a hexagon. Now, you can see a table showing the geometrical figures corresponding to the number of sides and angles. First one, a triangle with the number of sides 3 number of angles 3, number of vertices 3. Quadrilateral, number of sides 4, number of angles 4, number of vertices 4. Pentagon with the number of sides 5, number of angles 5, number of vertices 5. Hexagon, number of sides 6, number of angles 6, number of vertices 6. Heptagon with the number of sides 7, number of angles 7, number of vertices 7. Octagon with the number of sides 8, number of angles 8, number of vertices 8. Nonagon, number of sides 9, number of angles 9, number of vertices 9. And last, decagon with the number of sides 10, number of angles 10, and number of sides 10. What is the name of the figure with 100 sides and 100 vertices? We don't know, right? So, as the number of sides increases, it is difficult to name a figure. A closed figure with 3 or more sides are generally called as polygons. Now, have you got a general idea about polygons? Okay, in the next slide, we can see a video representation of the polygons with real life examples we studied today.
Tri is a prefix, that means 3. Triangles have 3 sides like a sail on the sea. Quad, a prefix, that means 4. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides like a door. Penta is a prefix, that means 5. Pentagons have 5 sides like a school zone walk sign. Hexa, a prefix, that means 6. Hexagons have 6 sides like a bolt we twist.
Tri means 3 and quad means 4. Penta means 5 and hexa means 6.
Hepta is a prefix that means 7. Heptagons have 7 sides like Orion in the heavens. Octa is a prefix that means 8. Octagons have 8 sides like a stop sign shape. Nona is a prefix that means 9. Nonagons have 9 sides like a Y on a road sign. Deca, a prefix that means 10. Decagons have 10 sides like a starfish in the ocean.
Hepta means 7. Octa means 8. Nona means 9 and deca means 10.
Tri, 3. Quad, 4. Penta, 5. Hexa, 6. Hepta, 7. Octa, 8. Nona, 9. Deca, 10.
Tri means 3, quad means 4, penta means 5, and hexa means 6. Hepta means 7, octa means 8, nona means 9, and deca means 10. Tri means 3, quad means 4, penta means 5, and hexa means 6. Hepta means 7, octa means 8, nona means 9, and deca means 10.
What shape is this?
Triangle,
What shape is this?
quadrilateral,
What shape is this?
pentagon,
What shape is this?
hexagon,
What shape is this?
heptagon,
What shape is this?
octagon,
What shape is this?
nonagon,
What shape is this?
decagon.
Tri means 3, quad means 4, penta means 5, and hexa means 6. Hepta means 7, octa means 8, nona means 9, and deca means 10. Tri means 3, quad means 4, penta means 5, and hexa means 6. Hepta means 7, octa means 8, nona means 9, and deca means 10.
Two last things before we go. A polygon has to have straight sides, you know, and a polygon has to be a close shape. The vertices and sides can't have any breaks. So is this a polygon?
No.
But is this a polygon?
Yeah.
Now, let's conclude what we learned today. First of all, a closed figure with 3 vertices and 3 sides is called a triangle. Second, a closed figure with 4 vertices and 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Third one, a closed figure with 5 vertices and 5 sides is called a pentagon. A closed figure with 6 vertices and 6 sides is called a hexagon. So, what do you mean by a polygon? A closed figure with more than 3 sides and 3 vertices is called a polygon. With this, we wind up the session. Some review questions and follow-up activities are given in the slides. Please go through it. Thank you.